Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will explain about the II failure because in present time the II is unable to get previous prestigious as in present scenario. In the past, if you will see from 100 years, they have the much prestigious and the most better institute which is also granted Royal Charter in the before independent India. But in this time he is facing much problem. If they solve the five or any two or three problem, the AI may get again their prestigious and the proud. So here I am sharing there are five reasons why he should improve in this way. I am making the videos on II and MI since 1 years. Then you can see here are five. I will discuss each every with once. So firstly, IA should implement the university WILP. What work integrated learning program? University work integrated learning program. As you may see in the recently II UGC meeting in the 548, in this UGC have approved the work integrated learning program of the BITS Pilani. BITS Pilani is improving their quality, and they launched their program in WILP in engineering programs. They have continued recommended by the UGC. In this way, if II establish a university, II university, then they may good better. I make a video in the previous time. So in that time I have proposed IA University, but they did not implement, only on the paper, not real. So it is very bad. If you want to know about this discussions, you may get my latest video of this the II will establish the IA University, but this could not be a success only written on a paper. So in this way, if II make a university and implement WILP, then will be better for everyone by credit based BTech engineering. Second is the Engineers Act is not passed till now. II did not get passed in engineering bill by the government. Here I want to say you, when I see the history of the engineers bill in India and running now, then I see there many times have uh, they many times have been represented before the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, but did not completely pass due to incomplete or not relevant to the Indian system. Here, the II have taken a responsibility and other also professional society to build the better engineering bill, but could not possible. Here, I'll explain about my a similar video that is given in the descriptions. Then here is the second failure. First is university WLP could not implement. Second, engineers it could not be enacted with the help of II by government. And third is the flexibility and face-to-face learning. I want to say firstly the II education is continuous education before 2013, but after the government direction change, then government declined to work further ODL continuous correspondence in the engineering system. So in this way, the IGNU, the government authority, government university, changed their program into the vertically integrated, which is totally full-time and flexible learning, as the learner student may study by their desirable time or availability time. If he are working professional, they may manage their learning full-time with the uh, study centers. In this way, II should also improve this after 2013, but they did not good. I want to say here II have the most collection of engineers and professors and many one. They know each and everything what is going under AICTE, MHRD, and education system. But they is only blending the all student, not doing the proper implementation of policy for engineering BTech. Here I have explained about this why you know get approved by AICTE, because they get a full-time education. This video also have created, which it will be in description link. In this way, I explain you the first, third quality could not be implemented by II. First WLP, second engineer sec, third is flexible time face-to-face learning program. And now fourth is the no case file in the Supreme Court rather than the High Court. Currently, the program of Section and Section B running in the Delhi High Court, which is not good for the which is not good for II because the Royal Charter importance very known by the Supreme Court. In this way, in the previous judgment, also Supreme Court upheld the Royal Charter status in IME case. Here is written the Institute of Engineers is established under Royal Charter. It means if the case was filed first in Supreme Court, then maybe judgment may be soon and better in the welfare of student. So there is no filing cases of the in Supreme Court. So this is lack of the efficiency of the IA. And fifth, I want to say here about the NVQF. Here I want to say share your file about the MHRD Office Memorandum date 6 December 2012. Here the MHRD requested the all professional society to implement the NVQF, which was the National Vocational Education Qualification Framework. But here only the two institute implement the NVQF, NILET, National Institute of Electronics Telecommunication, and Institute of Electronics and Telecommunication. But here was a timeline given here the before the 30 May 2013 to implement this. In this way, NILET has implement successfully, so they did not de-recognize. Otherwise, all professional society become de-recognized. Here I want to say the some sharing your screenshot of the MOUs. First of the NILET. This is the after the receiving the letter, I get MOU with the main institute to improve their skill for their student. And second is the IIT who implement with the many universities and the Techno India Group University, Oriental University, and many more to welfare of their student. But I could not do any more things. Only recalling I am Royal Charter. I am Royal Charter. So in this way, could not be good for anyone. Here I make a video on the MIE how the NSQF was profitable for MI student. But I could not do. But he only say I have the 125 study center, a learning center, a local center, and have the good group of the professor engineers, many things, but he could not implement yourself. If the Institute of Engineers take MOU within any of the branch wise, because I have the total 15 branches of engineering. If he MOUs or memorandum within there are 40 of sector skill council. Any of them, suppose if any student electrical, then they get profit from power sector skill. If anyone from other branches, then if anyone electronics and telecommunication, then go through by this course. It was possible when the II take MOU with this institute for the telecommunication. In this way, there are many disciplinary profit was given here for mechanical engineers, this and this, and construction and IT for IT and computer science, this skill sector was profit. But if when IIMO is this like the IET and NILET, here I am saying you first here given NILET. NILET take MEB TSC, Telecom Sector Skills Council, and secondly you can see electronics and the AICT also under the employability skill enhancement training program. In this way, he improved their skill. And second, I want to say here, ITE this joined with the Telecom Sector Skill Council and other skill organizations. In this way, II have failed in the 5 point by which they could not improve their standard. In this way, the student of his about 1.25 lakh students suffering from due to either five. If II implement one, two, three, or four, any of the five, then II future may be good. Otherwise, the Royal Charter will be destroyed in the independent India because Royal Charter is the word which exists in the past before before the construction of the constitutions of India. But in this time, the running scenario is the constitutions of India. No any act may save him its current scenario as I know, but what may be future may know. But if II pass an act under constitutions of India, then that act may save him. And also he did not implement other many things. In this way, this my experience is the personal. Here I am sharing you because I am observing, analyzing on the MI videos for 1 year, and Also observe many government RTI letters, annual reports, many things. What my ideas? Send me your feedback and what you want, and comment any question. I will reply you in a better way. Hope you get and enjoy this video. Please share in Telegram, Facebook, WhatsApp, what may possible. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.